2, 1.
Hi, this is our version of the mysterious ticking noise from Harry Potter. Hi. And I'm Snape.
I'm Dumbledore.
I'm Ron.
I'm Hermione.
I'm Harry Potter.
Yeah.
And this is
Voldemort.
Go Voldy. Voldy is moldy. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, that over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus, Snape, 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 Severus,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Snape, Severus,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Snape, Severus,
Dumbledore.
Ron.
Ron,
Ron
Severus,
Weasley. Dumbledore.
Snape,
Ron.
Ron,
Weasley. Dumbledore.
Ron.
Ron Weasley. Dumbledore.
Ron.
Weasley. Dumbledore.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Dumbledore.
Harry Potter.
Ron Weasley. Dumbledore.
Harry Potter.
Snape,
Harry Potter.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry. Dumbledore.
Hermione.
I'm Harry Potter.
Severus, Snape,
I'm Harry
Snape,
Severus. Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Harry
Snape,
Potter.
Severus,
Dumbledore. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the mysterious tea noise. It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Ow.
Come on, Voldy, Voldy.
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort. Avada Kedavra. Boom, headshot.